How to delete Facebook account after the latest update. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account after the latest update. Now since the update, it's been quite confusing on Facebook to find various options, and if you're confused on how you can find the delete Facebook account option, then here is how you can do it, quick and simple. You want to simply open up your Facebook application, and here what you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into your account that you wish to delete. Once you do so, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, here what you want to do is you can either tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner beside the search icon, or if you scroll down below, tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you'll be headed into settings here. Right now here you want to find the option Meta, and that's his account center. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed into this page. Now under this page, what you want to do is you want to head into second option that says personal details under account settings. Simply tap on it and then tap on account ownership and control. Once you tap on account ownership and control, what you want to do is you want to tap on the activation or deletion option. Simply tap on it and then tap choose your Facebook account. Once you choose your Facebook account, you want to select the delete account option. You want to make sure the blue tick mark is on delete account option, and then simply tap on continue. It'll ask you for your password, and once you enter in your password, your Facebook account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Facebook account after the latest update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.